Hello everyone, welcome you all. Here I am going to discuss the Scramjet engine operation. Scramjet engine is supersonic combustion ramjet. The ramjet engine already I have discussed in the previous session, and that is the engine which does not use any compressor and the turbine for the uh, combustion of the fuel as well as the propulsion of the missile or aircraft. And next version of that ramjet is the supersonic combustion ramjet. In that the combustion is taking place at the supersonic speed of the air. That is the scramjet engine. It is a specific technology where enters at a supersonic and also combustion taking place at the supersonic speed, and the exhaust gas is also coming at supersonic speed, which is at a speed of Mach more than 5. And here I'm going to discuss how the working is taking place, what are the advantages and disadvantages, and its applications, and also what are the this Scramjet engine programs in the different countries are going on. I'm going to discuss. Scramjet engine is a type of engine that operates at a hypersonic speeds or a speed greater than Mach 5. Here, the whatever the engine is there, which will be acting at a hypersonic speed. Even though air is entering at a supersonic speed, combustion is at a supersonic speed, and the exhaust is also supersonic speed, but it is at a hypersonic speed that engine will be operates. And that is a Mach 5, more than Mach 5, that is a more than 5 times the speed of the sound. It is designed to be used in hypersonic aircraft or a missile. This engine is particularly used in the hypersonic aircraft, missile, launch vehicles like that. How this works that we can explain by using this engine working sketch. Here, this is the at the inlet of the that engine, that is called as inlet body. In that inlet body is this one, and outside casing is that. The air is entering at a supersonic speed. Because of that, the vehicle is traveling at a supersonic speed. And here there is no compression is used. The compression is taking place by the pulsation of the air while flowing through a smaller path of this vehicle, this engine. Here, this is enters at this value and it will be suddenly reduced, and because of its speed that will be get compressed, and after the compression it will be remains in the supersonic speed only. As in the ramjet engine, its speed will be reduced to the subsonic speed, but here it will be remains in the supersonic speed after the compression also. And after that, the fuel will be injected in the combustion zone. Then the supersonic speed, whatever is there uh, speed of the air, that will get mixes with the fuel injected. Then combustion of the fuel is taking place at this section. And because of the aerodynamic design of this engine, the exhaust gas what is coming out, that is also supersonic exhaust, that is moving at a supersonic speed. As we know that at what speed the exhaust gas is moving backward, the same speed it will be move in the forward direction. The vehicle will be move in the forward direction according to Newton's third law. And like that here also it works, and therefore the speed of the engine will becomes hypersonic, and to which vehicle this engine is fixed, either missile or a aircraft that travels at a hypersonic speed. Next, scramjet engine is a type of air breathing jet engine that works by burning fuel at supersonic airflow. What I have discussed already, it is used in hypersonic missiles for second stage of launch vehicle. Okay, here the first stage, the some propulsion is required. At the stationary, this hypersonic uh, engine, scramjet engine, does not work. When the vehicle is traveling at a supersonic speed, during that time only the compression is taking place and combustion and exhaust will be taking place. Later, it will be move at a hypersonic speeds. In the first stage of the launch vehicle of the missile, there the usually solid fuel is used, and that will provides the initial propulsion to the missile, and later onwards it will be moving by the hypersonic speed by the working of the scramjet engine. Here, how it works: the forward speed of the aircraft compresses the air. The forward speed of the aircraft is required initially. Fuel is injected into the combustor. The air fuel mix in the combustor. Then the fuel is burned, producing a jet of hot exhaust gases. The hot gas force propels the vehicle forward. That hot gas, whatever is force is there, that will propels the vehicle forward. They don't have rotating parts like compressor and turbines work on engines aerodynamic design to compress air. The engine totally is aerodynamically designed, and by that only the compression, combustion and exhaust, all the things will be taking place. Advantages of this scramjet engine: scramjets are more efficient than traditional turbojets and ramjets. And here, dear, more than 5 Mach number speed, the scramjets are more efficient. More efficient because of that, more speed they can travel. They don't need to carry heavy oxygen tanks like rockets do. Usually in the rockets, the oxygen is not available. The oxygen tanks are carried along with that one. But it adds the scramjet engine is traveling in the atmosphere. There only atmospheric air it uses for the combustion. It can be used a booster after the rocket's first stage. The first stage after this one, it can be used as a booster. Applications of scramjet engine: hypersonic vehicles. In the hypersonic speed, the what vehicles are required to travel. There we can use launch vehicles of the missiles, commercial aircrafts. The aircrafts also we can use, and this also we can use in the fighter aircrafts. Countries that have developed scramjet engines are United States, Russia, China, and India. The four countries only developed the scramjet engine technology. Here, this is the one of the video we can see how the combustion, how the compression, and the exhaust is taking place. Here, the this inner part of this scramjet engine, where the air is entering at the inlet, and there the pulsation will be taking place. The pulsation of the that air will be taking place. Thereby, it will be get compressed, and that even though it is compressed, it is moving at a supersonic speed. And then later that will be travels to the combustion zone, and where the fuel from the fuel tank that will be injected, and the combustion of the fuel is taking place. And flue gas is produced after the combustion, that will be exhaust at a supersonic speed, and that will cause for the travel of the vehicle in the forward direction at a hypersonic. Indian Scramjet engine program. As we know that there are four countries in the world they have developed this technology. India is the fourth country it is developed, and we'll see that one how the Scramjet program is going by India. As of January 2025, India has successfully conducted a ground test of a Scramjet engine, marking a significant milestone in the development of hypersonic missiles by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. That this test demonstrated a stable combustion in an active cooled scramjet combustor for 120 seconds, considered a major achievement in India's hypersonic technology advancements. Key points about India's scramjet engine status. Successful test. DRDO recently conducted a successful ground test of an active cooled scramjet combustor for 120 seconds, a first of its kind in India. Hypersonic potential. This achievement is crucial for developing next generation hypersonic missiles capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5. Technology demonstration. The test showcased capabilities like stable combustion and successful ignition, signifying potential for operational use in hypersonic vehicles. Significance. This development places India among an allied group of nations with advanced scramjet technology that already we have discussed, that is the United States, Russia and China are already tested this scramjet technology. India is the fourth country which is tested, and that's why India comes in elite group of these nations. This is about Scramjet engine operation and details about the India's Scramjet technology testing and other details I am going to take in the further sessions. And already have discussed the jet engine or a turbojet engine and ramjet engine in other sessions already, and links for the same I will give in the description of this video. You can refer and watch. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.